Right now at 10, here comes the deep freeze. Windy and relatively warm today, but the bottom line is going to drop out this weekend. We're expecting the coldest temperatures in 2 years.
John Milan has details that include the words below zero. John.
Which we haven't seen much of in a long time. Only one the whole last winter season. We have to go back all the way to February of 2011 to see the brutal cold spell, and it was a 4-day cold spell also like we're going to see Sunday through Wednesday. It's when we had temperatures to 7 below zero on the 8th through the 11th in 2011. Now Sunday is when the cold air hits. It will be pushing in on a very strong west to northwest wind, and it will continue into early next week, probably till about Wednesday of next week, as we're stuck in what we call a big upper air dip or trough in the atmosphere. So 33 lakeside, we're not talking cold tomorrow. We start out with above freezing temperatures on Saturday. It'll be a mild Saturday, but don't be fooled. The cold air will be here by Saturday night. Details coming up.
Okay, John, thank you. Well, it's an annual rite of winter in Waukesha.
The Jamboree got underway today. John Milan out there this afternoon. He was banned from the fire dancing routine, but he did help with the ice sculpture, putting a torch on it. Have you thought out yet, John?
Good job, John.
How could I get cold with torches, bonfires, and fire dancers out there? We had a great time at the Jamboree. It's around all weekend. Make sure you go out and check out their events because it is a special event. It was warm, 42 degrees today in Milwaukee and all of southeastern Wisconsin, way above the average of 29 degrees, although the morning low was around the average of 15. And we did have a little light snow around the area this morning, but the heavier snow to the north, and that wasn't that heavy. Also, trace at the airport. And with bitter cold Arctic air at our doorstep, you should remember the coldest we've had so far this whole winter season has only been 7 degrees above zero. High temperatures today, upper 40s in La Crosse. Look at the 52 in Des Moines. This high temperature map looks like early March, and it would be an mild early March if it was on some day early in the month of March. 40 degrees right now in Milwaukee, 41 Racine, Port Washington, Westwood. This is unheard of to see temperatures in the 40s in the coldest time of the year in mid-January at 10 o'clock at night. And our overnight low temperatures warmer than our average high at 29. 32 in Milwaukee and Waukesha, 31 in Watertown and West Bend, 31 Whitewater. Kind of hard to make those ice sculptures like they were doing at the Jamboree and have those stay frozen all night. So here's what we're looking at. Clouds off and on. Another band of clouds could roll in here, bringing just a flurry or two tomorrow into tomorrow night and also Saturday. But the big weather news really isn't flurries. It's this Arctic front, and it's pushing through Saturday night. So tomorrow's mild, but Sunday will be very, very cold. We could see our first below zero temperatures early next week. Saturday afternoon, though, 42 once again in Milwaukee and also in Madison. Look at the 46 in Chicago, mid-30s far north as Wausau and Green Bay. And look at the change on Sunday. 3 is your high temperature in Rhinelander, 4 Wausau, 13 Madison, 15 in Milwaukee. Mostly cloudy overnight tonight. Breezy, mild, strong southwest winds. Incredible low of 32 for tomorrow. Another warm one, partly cloudy and windy. West-southwest winds in 42. The front hits tomorrow night. Partly cloudy, windy with a few flurries. Look at this wind chill down to 10 below zero on strong west-northwest winds. And Sunday, variable clouds, flurries late, and a high of only 15. Colder still into the early part of next week. 8 is your high temperature on Monday. And then we're below zero Tuesday morning. Tuesday's high only 9, 17 on Wednesday. And then we warm back up in our roller coaster winter up to 32 with light snow on Thursday.
It's actually a good thing that 2 below stuff didn't get here tonight.
Tonight, yeah. That would be tough, but at least the ice sculptors wouldn't thaw out.
That's true. They'll be there. That's wonderful. Thanks, John.